In this video, we will explore the reasons why the GBPUSD currency pair is a popular choice among Forex traders. We will analyze recent market trends, examine key economic indicators, and review expert opinions to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of why trading GBPUSD may be a viable option for your investment strategy. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to not miss future videos. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. One of their best offers is that you can actually deposit $5 and start trading a live account, which you can use to test your strategies and robots in real live market conditions. Also see the description box if you want to download free Forex robots, indicators, books, etc. Let's look at why the GBPUSD currency pair is a popular choice among Forex traders. We will also provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the factors that make GBPUSD a viable option for your investment strategy. The GBPUSD currency pair is one of the most widely traded pairs in the Forex market. This popularity can be attributed to several factors, including liquidity. The GBPUSD is highly liquid, which means that it is easy to buy and sell this currency pair at any time. High liquidity is important for traders because it ensures that they can easily enter and exit trades without significant price fluctuations. Economic indicators. Economic indicators, such as the German ZEW economic sentiment, play a crucial role in determining the value of currencies in the Forex market. The GBPUSD currency pair is affected by a variety of economic indicators, including the UK GDP, inflation rate, and unemployment rate. Traders can use these indicators to make informed trading decisions. Market trends. Traders often rely on market trends to make profitable trades. In recent years, the GBPUSD has exhibited significant volatility due to events such as Brexit and the COVID-19 pandemic. Traders can take advantage of these trends to make profitable trades. Expert opinions. Many Forex experts consider the GBPUSD to be a reliable trading pair. The high liquidity and frequent market movements make it an attractive option for both new and experienced traders. In conclusion, the GBPUSD currency pair is a popular choice among Forex traders due to its liquidity, the influence of economic indicators, market trends, and the opinions of Forex experts. By staying informed about the latest news and trends, traders can make informed decisions and potentially achieve profitable returns. Thank you for watching our video on why you should trade GBPUSD.